Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a drop shadow in Canva. Open your browser and head to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so your designs and settings load properly. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the Projects section. This is where all your saved designs, folders, and uploads live, making it easy to jump back into work you've already started. Click Projects, then choose the design you want to edit and open it. Give it a moment to load with your design on the canvas. Select the text you want to style. You can do this by clicking directly on a text box in your layout. When the text is selected, you'll see a contextual toolbar appear along the top of the editor with options for font size, color, and more. In that top toolbar, click Effects. This opens a panel on the left or in a floating window with various text styles. You'll see options like Shadow, Lift, and others. Choose Shadow. As soon as you select it, Canva applies a default shadow to your text, so you can preview the look right away. Now, fine-tune it. Start with the offset. Offset controls how far the shadow sits from your text. A smaller offset keeps the shadow tight and subtle, which is great for clean, professional designs. Increasing the offset adds more separation and creates a bolder, more dramatic look. Adjust it while looking at your entire layout so the shadow supports your design rather than competing with it. Next, adjust the direction. This changes the angle of the shadow, simulating where your light source would be. Point the direction so the shadow falls consistently with other elements in your design. For example, if images or icons already suggest light coming from the top left, match that angle for a cohesive, realistic result. As you adjust, pay attention to contrast. Make sure your shadow color and intensity help the text stand out against the background without making it muddy. If you want a softer feel, consider reducing blur or transparency within the same effects panel, if those controls appear for your selection. A lighter, slightly blurred shadow can add depth without overpowering delicate fonts. Preview the entire design at full size and at smaller scales. If you plan to use the graphic on social media, zoom out to ensure the text remains legible and the shadow still reads well on mobile screens. When everything looks right, your drop shadow is set, and your type should have a crisp, professional depth that elevates the design. And that's it. Simple, clean, and effective. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to add a stunning drop shadow to your text in Canva, giving your designs that extra professional touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any questions or want to share your own design tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.